guys, you made it to the end. One more example, one more mastery check, one more extension if you want it, and then the reflection. Then you've got a weekend. So exciting. And then off to week 2. You're going to be so ready for geometry. So pyramids. Remember, we got to find the base area. The base area here is still that square. So we got to find the base area. That's just going to be 6 squared. 6 squared is 36 inches squared. Then I've got the height. The height is given to you. That's that 11.5. You just need to know the difference between the height of 11.5 and the slant height of 12. So that slant height is going to be 12. Both of those are going to be centimeters. Centimeters, and I don't know why I always default to inches. It's centimeters squared, not inches squared up there. Then we got to find the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance all the way around. So here the perimeter is going to be 6 4 times, or 24 centimeters. Perimeter, 24 centimeters. Volume, remember, pyramids and cones have to be sliced into thirds. So 3 pyramids make a rectangular prism, 3 cones make a cylinder. So if I do volume, 1/3, that whole base that we found up here, so we don't have to recalculate it, we can just substitute it in, times the height. Make sure you're using the actual height, which is that 11.5. If you stick a spaghetti noodle down inside the center of your pyramid that you made. When you do that, I'm looking over at my little cheat sheet, I think you get 138 centimeters. And yes, it is cubed because that's what fills it, right? And then we've got the lateral area. That's the sides. We're just talking about the 4 triangles here. So 1/2 the slant height, which is 12, times the perimeter, which we calculated was 24. So 1/2 times 12 times 24 is 144. I could put that here, 144 centimeters. Yep, it is squared. That's so important. I can't even tell you. So notice that again, we've got 1/2 LP. That just is the lateral area. So we just calculated that. No reason to calculate it again. And then we found the base. The base up here is still 36. So we can substitute that in. Once you have the base, once you have the height, the lateral height and the perimeter, you can just substitute those in all the way down. 144 plus 36, 144 plus 36 is 180. Again, that's area, so it's going to be centimeters squared. And our volume was 138 centimeters cubed. Those should be all of our answers, but if you don't know by now, I like to check. We're going up to a range, we're going to order, bring it all to the front, and then we can slide this over and we can check them off. So let's check them off. I like to check things off. The base we got was 36 centimeters squared. The height we decided was 11.5 centimeters. The slant height, which is the height of the triangle, is 12 centimeters. The perimeter all the way around the base, that was 4 sets of 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. Then the volume was 138 centimeters cubed. 1/2 12 times 24 was 144. And then half of 12 times 24 plus 36 is going to be 180. Makes me so happy when we get all those things right. Instead of ending this video, because we are kind of at the end, it's time to go to your mastery. So you're going to go back into Schoology. You're going to go to lesson 4, rectangular prisms and pyramids. This is your last mastery check of the week. You do have 2 attempts to get over 70%. So if you don't get over 70% the first time, go back and watch some of the videos, or you can go into 8th grade IXL and do volume of cubes and prisms and pyramids, or surface area of cubes, prisms, and pyramids. These IXLs might be harder than the stuff that's on your mastery check, so just be aware of that. And then your challenge, because I think all of you need to go do this challenge today, it kind of pulls together day 3 and day 4. I want you to look at the different containers in your kitchen. Find 3 of them, okay? Figure out the surface area and the volume, whether it's a cylindrical peanut butter container or a can of beans or a can of vegetables, or whether it's a box of something. It doesn't matter. Figure out what is the most efficient packaging. So how do you figure out the most efficient packaging? You're going to find the volume, you're going to find the surface area, and you're going to do volume divided by surface area. Okay, see which one is most efficient, the most volume for the surface area. Okay, and then go to the discussion board in Schoology. There's a discussion board and type in what thing you think in your pantry or you found in your pantry to be the most efficient packaging. Okay, I'm super excited to see what you choose. I'm definitely going to figure out who your teacher is so I can go bug them and see what you put in there. Have a great weekend, y'all. Bye.